Hey guys, it's your girl Tay here, one half of the Desolé twins, and today I am doing a beginner friendly makeup tutorial here on the channel. So if you enjoy what you see, make sure you let me know. I'm trying to get better and I don't want to do it better by myself. Help me out, give me some tips, give me some tricks, but this is what I came up with today. I filled in my eyebrows with the Morphe Chocolate Mousse pencil, and then I concealed my brows with the e.l.f. in Deep Caramel, and then I set all over my lids with some translucent powder. I'm going to go in first with the Juvia's Place palette. This is in the Warrior 2. I'm going to start out with the color Yielded, and then I'm going to go in with Kufuru. Once you got your eye exactly like you like it, I'm going to go in with some micellar water and just up below the lash line so that there is no fallout that'll get transferred into my concealer. Conceal the top of my brow with my foundation. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Warm Sand. Use my little flat brush here to apply my foundation all over the face and then blend it in with a buffing brush. And then I'm going to take a dense brush and I'm going to use it to blend out the perimeter of those eyebrows. Remember, you don't want to blend it away or to smithereens. You just want to make sure it's all blended in. When you use a flat brush to apply your foundation, it goes on a lot more even. And then I'm going to go in with that blending brush again just to buff it all in. Now I'm going to go in with two concealers. Both are from Huda Beauty. One is in Praline and the other one is in Toasted Almond. I'm going to keep it low with Praline and then go a little higher with Toasted Almond. Once you start to apply your lighter concealer, your goal is not to place it in the creases. You want to place it just a little bit lower than that so that when we start to blend it out, we can blend it up. We don't want to put concealer directly in the crease because that's where it's going to sit. I'm going to hit my chin, above my lip, and on my forehead and take a little bit of a line down my nose. Not all the way, but just enough, just enough. And then I'm going to start to blending, working my way from the bottom up. Once we get to blending out our nose, you don't want to make it wide, so I'm just going to tap on it, trying to keep the concealer in place, and then I'm going to use my blending brush to just keep those edges nice and blurred. When I start to work under my eyes, I want to take a mirror and look up, because when I blend it out, I don't want there to be any crease lines. I just want to make sure that wherever the concealer is, I'm keeping it in place, but look up while you do it. I'm also going to try to remember here that right before you set your concealer in place with your powder, want to make sure that you blend it out one more time just to ensure that there is no crease lines, and then place your powder on top of it. Here I went in with the Derma Blend translucent powder, and I'm just going to set all of those places that I applied concealer. So I'm gonna go in and try also something new. This is my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Medium Deep. I kind of wish I had the one that didn't have the shimmer in it, but this is all I have right now. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie just to bronze up the face. I'm going in with the color, oh, my bad, y'all. I'm going in with Juvia's Place in the color Tan, and I'm gonna take, I'm gonna mix the two shades just to give me a little bit more of a bronze. Also, don't forget to use that same powder to apply some shadow to the sides of your nose. I'm not going to go directly on top of my nose, but I am going to go on along the sides of it. When I start to look at my face, I noticed that I wanted a little powder under my little cheekbones, so I applied some powder there as well just to clean it up. This is that same Derma Blend powder. I'm not going to bake it. Again, I just want to add a little bit of product, and then I'm going to use my all over face brush to just blend it in. It seems like I'm tapping it away, but I'm like swipe and tapping, swipe, tap, swipe, tap. I want to keep it there. Here, I just went back into that same palette I used for my eyeshadows, and I'm going to use a pink that's in there. There's like two different pink colors. One is an orange, one is a pink, and I'm going to use that as my blush. Now I'm going to spray all over the face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. And you're not going to go heavy-handed with this. We're just going to keep it pretty light. Now I'm going in with Cork from MAC. I like my lips a little overdrawn, extremely dark, but you feel free to do it how you like. This is just what I like seeing because I want it to pop up more on my skin. And I actually wish it was a little bit darker, but this is as dark as I can get it for now. I'm going to go in with this pink from Revolution. It's called the Pout Balm in the color Candy. And then this hair store just tinted lip gloss with a little bit like cherry or ruby, ruby kisses, jellylicious. And the color, I don't see a color on here, y'all. It just say mango butter in the side, but anyway, it's just a little tint to it. So I'm gonna put these two in there. Alright guys, I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter to hurry up and end the video out. Hope you enjoyed enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up down there below, and everything that is a product that was listed in this video will be listed down below in the description bar. Glam on everything except the lash. There is no lashes today. So you guys let me know down below if you like the look. We're on the road to 5K, so make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. I'm trying to get better at my makeup, and you can too. We can help each other out, girls. So make sure you come back, check in for another video. Have a safe and blessed night.